everyone! Today we're going to be playing Flying Car Simulator. There just was a cutscene, but let's get on with the game. So what you do in this game is anything! Now let's fly. Whee! Whee! I'm flying, soaring through the sky. I'm flying, yeah. I'm flying through the sky. 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 Oh yeah. I'm a fly in the sky with my motorbike. Please, mommy, help me now. I want to stop flying. Wait, holy frick, I'm gonna die. Well, that was a trick shot landing, yeah. I actually didn't die. Oh, guys, don't get scared. Let's get ready for liftoff. We're already going to fly into space. Let's do that instead. Let's be the first motorbike to go to space. Holy crap. Oh, Mom. Please help me. Please, God. God, please help me ride this motorbike. I just want to take off. Or I will die. Oh God, help me. Please let me survive on this futuristic bike that can fly. Yeah. So how did you guys like my song? Was it awesome? Well, that song was freaking 2 minutes. So yeah, that song was boring, I can tell. Good job. It's okay, guys. So how are you all doing? Having a nice day? Well, I had a good time at school, I guess. You can see that. So how was your school day? Tell me in the comments. Or what school do you go to? Because I go to Donahue. If you guys or one of my subscribers go to Donahue, then just try and see me there. Oh, shoutouts to room 35. That's my room, by the way. Shoutouts to them. Cause my teacher, my friends. Why do I not want to shout out my friends in a YouTube video? And my teacher. Do not judge. I just want to shout out them. Oh, also shout out to Dan TDM, although he would never ever see this video in his life, because he doesn't care. So, if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you're new to this video, please subscribe. Oh, shout out to that guy I saw. That guy, I don't know his name, but I just saw him just earlier, or a few seconds ago. Well, let's just say 5 minutes ago. So yeah, I hope you all have a good day, yeah. And peace out. Sorry for this really short video.